Hello, Emily. How are you today?
We're happy.
You're happy today. Okay, good. Are you ready for the speaking test?
Yes.
Yes, you are. Okay, here we go. And my first question. How do you and your friends like to have fun?
I and my friend have fun by playing games together and go shopping together.
Okay, gotcha. Thank you. Do you have a favorite sport?
Yes, my favorite sport is badminton. I usually play badminton with my friend.
Okay. Which ways do people enjoy their life?
People enjoy their life by making new friends, making a party, and listening to music.
Okay. What traditional games do you play in your country?
In my country, we play hide and seek.
Okay. What places would you like to visit?
I like to visit Korea because it has many beautiful views and has good food.
Mhm. What do you like about the city where you live?
In my city, I like people, but people is friendly and has good food
Okay, thank you. Why do people move to new places?
because people want to earn money, learn new language, and has new job.
Okay. Mhm. Okay. Do you live in a rural or urban area?
I live in urban area.
Thank you. Do you know any poems,
Yes, I know any poems
for example?
are hạt gạo làm ta lượng thư gửi bố.
Okay, and which one do you think will be the most interesting?
I think is hạt gạo làm ta.
Okay, thank you. What do people write poems about?
People write poems about animals, learn people, and school.
In school, okay. How long does it take for you to get to school in the morning?
I go to school about 15 minutes.
Okay, it takes about 15 minutes, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you go on foot?
I go by bicycle.
Okay, thank you. The next one is, how many months are there in 1 year?
There are 12 months in 1 year.
Okay, and how many planets are in the solar system?
There are 8 planets
Planets.
in solar system.
Okay. Which planet are we living in?
We're living in the Earth.
All right. If you want to leave a country, what's the one thing that you need?
I need a passport and money.
Okay, thank you. Well done. Okay, Emily, now we will talk about energy. Okay. So, what items in your classroom use energy?
In my classroom, UMB are laptop, air conditioner, fans, and television.
Television. Okay, thank you. Where does energy come from?
Energy comes from the sun, fossil fuels, water, and electricity.
Okay. Why do we say that wind energy is clean?
Because wind energy doesn't make pollution and wind energy is renewable.
Renewable. Okay. What kinds of public transportation are there in your area? What public transportation in Hamburg?
In my country, we have SkyTrain, taxi, and bus.
Okay. How often do you use public transportation?
I usually use public transportation
Okay. How many times, for example? In 1 week?
twice a week.
You use twice a week public transportation. Okay. Which transportation do you like the best?
I like SkyTrain because it's clean.
It's good. Okay. What are fossil fuels?
Fossil fuel has natural gas, coal, and oil.
All right. And what are some ways that you save energy?
We save energy by turn off the light when we leave a room.
Okay. Thank you. Emily, now have a look. We have 2 pictures, right? The first one is mine, the second is yours. And now let's find out some differences. look at my picture first. In my picture, I can see mountain.
In my picture, I can't see the mountain.
Okay. In my picture, I counted 3 trees.
In my picture, I count 4 trees.
4 trees. Okay. In my picture, I can see that the boy is climbing on a tree.
In my picture, I can see the monkey is climbing the tree.
All right. In my picture, the girl is sitting on the rocks.
In my picture, the girl is standing on the rock.
Okay. In my picture, the man is pulling a big fish.
In my picture, the man is pulling a small fish.
Small fish. Okay. And in my picture, I can see that his boat is red and blue.
In my picture, I can see his boat is white and blue.
Okay. And the last one, I can see that something like jellyfish stuck on his boat.
In my picture, I can see the spider is stuck in the boat.
The boat. Okay. Well done. Now let me ask you some questions about Anne. Okay. How old is she?
She is 28 years.
28 years old. Okay. And what does she do?
She is an artist.
Okay. Is she married?
No, she isn't.
What about car? Does she have a car?
No, she hasn't. She has a bicycle.
Bicycle. Okay. And what about her height? Is she short or tall?
Her height is short.
She's short. Okay. Now let's do the same thing, but now you ask me about Peter.
How old is Peter?
Peter is 33 years old.
What is his job?
What's his job? He's a farmer.
Is Peter married?
Yes, he is.
Has he got cars?
Yeah, he does. He has got 2 cars.
Is he tall or short?
He's tall. Definitely tall. Okay. And the last one, Emily, have a look here. You can see a story. Let's make a storyline. The first picture, I think I can help you. It's Saturday, and we can see the children. They want to go somewhere, and they decided to go to the circus. But what happened next?
They take the bus to the circus and they can see a poster about ticket. But they don't have enough money to buy tickets, all of them. They are going to the cafe shop next to the circus and buy ice cream. 2 clowns go out the circus and dancing for children. They don't need to go to the circus.
Okay. Thank you, Emily. That's it. This is the end of the speaking test. Thank you. Bye.